What's going on, everyone? So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've already recorded this once, but there was no sound, and I apologize for all the noise in the background. If you hear thunder crashing and everything, we have a bad storm coming up. So hopefully it's going to be over with before the ball game tomorrow. We have a tournament tomorrow in Brunswick, so hopefully all the rain doesn't stop that. But as you can see, my entry was up here right at the break of the 5-minute orb, and we traded down. I was in the office today, so that's why I'm on this computer here, and I wasn't able to trade for my normal setup because I had to go into the office and I had some houses I had to Jeez Louise, that was a big one. I had some houses that I had to show, and I was out showing houses. I left around this candle here, and we had traded all the way down and came back up, and we were about in this area here when I came back, so I didn't really have anything to do. When we pushed down through here and I started seeing these wicks, I would have probably closed it out had I been on the screen and been able to do it. But we pushed back up. I drew this box around this wick here, and then I moved my stop down just above it because if we came back above that, there wasn't any reason in us coming back above that unless we're going to go higher. And as you see, we haven't. But what I did is I started looking at these wicks here, looking at the different time frames, and I decided to move my stop down just above the wick here and ended up getting stopped out here, and now we're just chopping. So total profit today would have been like $250 or so. I was at about 200 right in here, and should have closed it out there as well with all these wicks. But this is actually the time that I was leaving the office and coming back home. So when I came back home, we were up here. And so traveling and trading does have its drawbacks as well. But today I did end up up to $120, so nothing to write home about or anything. But it is a green day, and you can't. Jeez Louise. Can't go wrong taking profit, as they say. So I wished I would have had more, but I'm thankful that I am green on the day and ending the week good. One contract, no adding in, no trying to force trades, nothing like that. So I ended the week really well, and hopefully you have a wonderful weekend, and hopefully we get to have the tournament tomorrow with this rain and everything that's going on. And hopefully you've learned something from this. I know this is a very different video and all, but please leave a comment. If you have any questions, like, subscribe, share it with somebody who you think will learn something from this. And if not, I will see you next week, and we'll see what the market brings us.